Just caught me at 8 and it's all for myself. He died in that water, he thinking he felt. Gave Brody a hand, he needed some help. Glock 21 with the lead, that's fast shit. I want him keep paying, I want all the rest days. He not a man, he be on some bitch shit. Going on dates, that shit get his bitch hit. Damn,
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Dre. And look, I know I've been gone for a minute, but we about to jump right back into this. I'm about to get back on the grind and start grinding with my YouTube videos. Oh yeah, I done started my own clothing brand. Y'all see that? No, focus right there. No handouts, apparel. So go shop. I'm gonna drop the link down in the description below. But so my first video back, and it's gonna be some sequential turn signals and mirror cap install. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to install all that. These mirror caps literally just came in, like the mail lady just left, so it's my first time seeing them too. Got the M4 style carbon fiber mirror caps. Go crazy, go stupid. These guns is too hard. And it's a full cap replace. It's not a cover. And I got them from South Bay Auto on Instagram. Shout out to One Clean Q50. He hooked me up with these. They had a deal I couldn't resist. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. So alright, so I successfully finished one side. And I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. It's real light in the daytime. I think it'll lighten up at night. I mean darken up at night. Says when I lock it. When I start it up. And on camera it's flickering. That's because of the frame rates and how low the light is. But I also installed the M4 style carbon fiber mirror caps, and that's the difference. So we're gonna hop right into how I do it. So let me get everything set up and I'll be right back to y'all. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is pop this mirror cap off. The best way that I seen to start it off was to work from the bottom, pop all the clips at the bottom, and then the top should basically pop itself. But I'm gonna switch over to my phone camera because I got a flashlight on it, and so we can see the clip, the first clip to pop. Alright, so that's the first clip. Let's see if I can get it to focus. So the first clip is that light you see right there. That's gonna be the first clip to pop. Alright, so that clip popped out. So now you want to get your plastic trim tool and find the area to start popping. The corner worked best for me. So I came right ahead in the corner. And that's why I use a flathead. It was easier for me. But you might not want to take that risk. So now you just go through and it basically pops itself. Two, and there's one more down here. This third one was my hardest one to get, but a little finesse and you could be able to get it. Make sure. Alright, and there, as you can see, I got it got the mirror cap off without breaking any clips. So all my clips still in place. That's a good thing. So now let's start taking this door panel off. First thing you're gonna want to do is remove this plastic piece down here, and then another plastic piece there, and then it's gonna be a Phillips head screw at the bottom, and then a 10 millimeter right here. So now we'll just let that hang. Don't let yours hang, but alright, so now you want to disconnect the small speaker. Then you got your door handle down here. Well, not the door handle, but better view. This is to your windows and stuff. Then you got one more down here. Alright, and then pop it out with my foot. Then you just remove this, pop that out, lift it up. Same with this one. Pop this one out and lift it up. And the door panel come right off. So set that aside. Alright, and then now I'm gonna slide that to the left. Okay, well, it might pop out. If it pop out, just grab it right now so that way you don't lose it. And you slide that one as well. Alright, now that's loose. Now there's 3 bolts behind there as well. You can see those, 1, 2, and 3. So you just unscrew them. Alright, so you just unscrew those 3 bolts from behind. And this is gonna be the one that you unhook. This is for your mirror. Take that off. And then now it's time to remove the mirror. Just wiggle it a little bit and you'll see it, start to come out. And as you're pulling, you just feeding that bundle of cables through the hole. And that right there is how you take a mirror assembly off. Alright, now that I'm in the house, I'll show y'all all the rest of the steps. First, we're going to start off by unscrewing the 2 screws I was telling you about. This one. Then you'll come here. Then I loosen up this one just a tad bit. And I believe the last one's down here. I just loosen that up just so I can pull this down with no problem. And I don't know if you can see, yep, you see it right there. There. So that's the last screw that you gotta unscrew. I watched a lot of other people's videos, and they had a connector that connected, like, but I don't have it, so what I had to do was cut mine. Just cut the yellow and red wires, and this is for a 2016 Infiniti Q50 Premium. So I don't know if all the 2016s are like that or not, but mine was. I didn't have no connector, so I just had to cut it. And I stripped the wire back. So run these up into here. Put them like that. So these two is the ones that's going to be getting connected inside of here. So you just clip these two ends off. That's the red and the black. Red and the black, you just clip those off. Strip those back as well. If you decide to do it this way, you can splice into it. Once you cut these, don't strip them back, just splice into it. But I ran out of splicers. The rest of the splicers I got are for the inside of the door panel. So, but same stuff. Oh, and then this green and black one, if you leave it like this, you'll get the sequential turn signal. It'll go like that instead of just like being a regular turn signal. It'll be pointless if you connected these together. If you connected them together, it will give you the regular turn signal, which would be pointless to even doing this install. But so now run those wires up as well. Pull everything tight. Pull the plastic off so that way it don't get, you know, stuck in between. Drop this into place. Drop the bottom half in first down here. Boom. And now you go ahead and screw them in. Alright, so now that you got these stripped back, I believe these called butt connectors. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know what they're called. I believe butt connectors, but the yellow is the positive, and then the red is the positive, and then yellow is the ground from the original wires. So go ahead and connect yellow, and then the black. Alright, tuck those in there. Now, don't do what I did and put these connectors on right here. Now I know that I done messed up. Well, not really messed up, but now it makes it a lot harder to pull through here. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Well, I ain't got no choice. So this bottom piece comes off. This way off. It don't come completely. Oh, you will have to untape this. I forgot. Alright, now this comes off. It's gonna slide all the way down. Slide it down as far as you can get it to go. Down, all the way down to the connector. Like that. because, oh shoot, all that dirt. That's exactly why I did this on a sheet and not my bed. I had to wash these anyway. But, so now you just feed the wire up as far as you can until it won't go no more. Now you're going to use this wire as a pull string to pull your other wires down through it. And this is why I said you shouldn't put this connector on first. Don't do this first, because it'll make it easier. Basically, you're just going to be pulling these wires down instead of that connector. You'll just be pulling these two wires down, which is going to go through way easier than this big connector. But, you know, I made the mistake so that y'all could not make the mistake. Damn, I forgot this little hole right here. Damn. Yep, don't put these connectors on, because you're going to run into all these issues. And I don't even know how to pop these off.
But it's in like in general. Because it might cut out these lights.
You got a flashlight real quick? Flashlight?
Sheesh. Alright, I'm going to figure out how to get these through here and I'll be right back to y'all.